Hey there, parents! I know you're always on the lookout for quick, easy, and nutritious meals for your kids. Today, I've got some fantastic recipes that'll make your life easier and keep your kids happy, healthy, and full of energy. Let's dive right in. First up, we have a breakfast classic with a twist banana pancakes. All you need are 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, and a pinch of baking powder. Mash the bananas in a bowl, whisk in the eggs, and mix in the baking powder. Pour small amounts of the batter onto a hot, greased skillet, cook for a couple of minutes on each side, and voila! Delicious, fluffy pancakes packed with potassium and protein. Your kids will love them, and you'll love how easy they are to make. Next, let's talk about a lunch option that's a hit in my house: veggie quesadillas. Grab some whole wheat tortillas, shredded cheese, and any veggies your kids like. I usually go for bell peppers, spinach, and corn. Lay a tortilla in a hot pan, sprinkle on the cheese and veggies, and top with another tortilla. Cook until the cheese is melted and the tortillas are golden and crispy. Cut into wedges and serve with some salsa or guacamole. It's a great way to sneak in those veggies without any complaints. For a snack that's both fun and nutritious, try apple nachos. Slice an apple into thin wedges and spread them out on a plate. Drizzle with a little peanut butter or almond butter and sprinkle with granola, raisins, and a few chocolate chips. It's a perfect mix of crunchy, sweet, and satisfying. Plus, it's packed with fiber and healthy fats. Now on to dinner. One of my go-tos is cheesy broccoli rice. Cook up some brown rice and steam a cup of broccoli florets. In a large bowl, mix the rice and broccoli with shredded cheddar cheese and a bit of milk or yogurt to make it creamy. Pop it in the microwave for a minute to melt the cheese, stir, and it's ready to serve. This meal is rich in calcium, vitamin C, and whole grains. Finally, let's not forget about dessert. Yogurt parfait popsicles are a hit on warm days. Layer Greek yogurt, honey, and fresh berries in popsicle molds and freeze. They're a sweet treat that's low in sugar and high in probiotics and antioxidants. Plus, kids love the fun, frozen format. And there you have it. 5 quick, easy, and nutritious meals that your kids will love. Remember, keeping meals fun and simple can make a huge difference in encouraging healthy eating habits. So give these recipes a try and watch your kids enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and recipes. See you next time.